Very beautiful couch. Look at that. I love this art piece. It looks really nice. Now let me take you to the kitchen area. In the kitchen, we have few cabinets. Very nice window over there for natural light. We also have smoke extractor. To the master bedroom, you have a closet, window, AC. Very nice stuff. Look at that. You have a TV area on this side. See the shower area. Looks really nice. The house comes with a gym. See the gym area. Look at that. Don't forget to like and share the video, guys. See you on the next one.